Welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video we will learn what are the compliances due date are that for the month of January. So let me start this session without wasting your time. So the first due date it is 7th January, which is already past yesterday. So due date was the for TDS and TCS payment. So in the month of December, whatever invoice you received, you posted in your books of account. So you may posted the TDS entry. So whatever the entry you posted, you have to deduct on or before deduct and make the payment on or before 7th January. In case if you miss out, so there will be an interest of 1.5 percentage in case you deducted but not paid. And in case if you not deducted and not paid, then 1% interest. So there is a interest charge you have to make the payment per month. Then second due date is 10 January. Those who are dealing with TDS deduction or TCS collection, so they have to file GST 7 and or GST 8 return on or before 10th January. 11th January is a normal return, GST 1. Those who are selected monthly return, for them, GST 1 need to be filed. Whatever the sales data, uh, sales was done in the month of December, they have to file their GST return 1. And in case if you selected it quarterly wise return, then 13th is a due date for the month of October to December. Then 13th January is a due date for GST 6, which is for the input tax service distributor. So if you are a ISD holder, then you have to do GST 6. Due date is a 13th November. 15th November is due date for PF and ESI return. In case if your company dealing with the PF and ESI return, then you have to make the payment and file the return on or before 15th January. For PF and ESI, you must file before the due date because interest and penalty is heavy comparing to other law. And in case if you don't know the breakup, so PF and ESI, the breakup is look like this. So employees at 12% and employers at 13%. That 13% breakup will be like 8.33% goes for pension, 3.67 will go to your PF fund, and 0.5 percentage is for insurance. If anything happen to the policy is PF a member, then PF department will pay around 2 to 7 lakhs rupees in between, and 0.5% go to administration charge. And for ESI, 4% is there, so 3.25 percentage your employer will bear, and 0.7% you have to bear. So this is about the PF and ESI. And in case if you are and a TCS return, so for TDS is 31st January, but for TCS 15th January is the last due date. So in case if you collected any tax, you have to file the return on or before 15th January for the third quarter, October to December. And in case if you are an accountant, tax consultant, or commerce graduate student, to keep yourself updated in the field of taxation, you can join our Telegram group, which is in the name of Tax Entrepreneur. The link is given in the first comment section and description also. You just click that link and automatically you will join. So monthly once we'll conduct a free session, and there is a paid session also. So once you get joined in this Telegram group, you will get more update. Our next update is a 15 January labor welfare fund. In Karnataka, we have to pay labor welfare fund. So both sides some contribution there, 20, 40 or 30, 40 like that. And yearly once we have to make this payment to Karnataka government. Same way in US state also there will be a LWF concept. So just check it out when is the due date in US state. And 15 January is the tax audit report case we have to file. Except if you are come under 92 section 92 E, which is related to international funding, international transaction. So for them it is a 31st January. For others it is a 15th January. In case if you are a composition dealer, composition scheme, you register under GST, then you have a due date on 18th January for the third quarter. And composition, in case if you are doing within state business and your turnover is less than 1.5 crore, then you can apply for a composition scheme and save your tax also. Now in Karnataka, 20th January is a professional tax due date. Professional tax is nothing but in Karnataka, if you are getting salary more than 15,000, then per month 200 rupees your employer will deduct and he will remit it to Karnataka department, professional tax department. So 20 is the last date. Now 20, 22, 24. So 20 GST 3B due date is there for monthly case. In case if you apply for quarterly scheme, then south side 22nd is the due date and northeast side 24th is the due date. So they splitted this 20, 20 to 24 because GST portal, you know how it will work. So it's a good idea to split different date so that GST portal should not get slowed down. Now, in case if any payment is left before filing the return, so you can make the payment of GST challan if you are in a IFSS mode. Now, next 31st January in Karnataka Shop Act, if you apply under Shop Act, then you have to file an annual return which called Form U. So in this case, you have to describe means how much salary you paid for male, female, then how much bonus this that, then maternity leave is given or not. So related to labors, everything will come under this Form U category. And 31st January is the last date for the filing TDS return also. And the final point, 31st January, tax audit report case if you are coming under transfer pricing. So this is the update, and I hope you got some update from this video also. So don't forget to join our Telegram group and also don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. वो लाल बटन दबा दीजिए और बाजेगा घंटा भी बजा दीजिएगा. And see you in next video. Till then हमें भी आपके दुआओं में याद रखना.